Munaitwa ani zita? What is your name? Kati?
Maskati. Shemida Chilembwe.
Chamida? Shemida? Chilembwe. Okay. And what can you tell me about this piece? When I sculpted this piece? I thought of how the Zimbabwean country was taken away from us when they were under the guidelines of Nehanda, spirit mediums like Nehanda and Kaguli. And from that I decided to sculpt a spirit head in their memory. Great spirit mediums like Nehanda and Kaguli. Matanga kuvezarini? When did you start sculpting?
2004.
2004. And who taught you how to sculpt? And Magadi this one? I was taught by Steady Gombo. Alright, thank you.